Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be another figure unboxing, and I know it's been a while since I done my last video. My YouTube channel said my last video was 13 days ago, so almost 2 weeks ago. I opened those Masters of the Universe Revelation figures, and I just didn't know what to do a video. I tried doing a video on my Joker Mortal Kombat figure that I got. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see. But that video didn't quite work out, so I just opened him by himself. But today, I hope it works out. I got a new figure, and it's going to be an unboxing on the Marvel Legends Build-A-Figure Eternals Cersei, Marvel Cersei figure. I did finally watch Eternals on Disney+. I wanted to watch Eternals before I bought any of the figures. And she was my favorite character in the movie, or one of them. I did also like Angelina Jolie's character in the movie, but I did end up paying full price for her, and I was gonna wait until they go on clearance, but I didn't want to wait anymore. So I did end up paying full price for Cersei. So I'm gonna wait. The only other character I wanted was Angelina's character, Xena, and the only other I don't want to get the whole wave. I'm very limited on Marvel characters, and as it is, so and these figures have been sitting on the shelf for months now, and they are peg warmers. As you will see, there is still dust on this. So I'm probably the only one at my Target that has gotten any of these figures so far. But I liked her character, so I did want to get her figure. We'll go ahead and take a look at the box first. At the top, there is the Legend Series logo. Build-A-Figure Gallimish. I'm not going to even try to pronounce his name. There is the Eternals logo. There is a very pretty picture of Gemma Chan. I believe that's the actress's name that portrays Cersei at the side and the other side. And then on the back is another picture of Cersei. And then there is a read up. If you want to pause and read, you can see that. Pause and read, you can do that if you can see that. And the other figures you can get in the wave. Now, Angelina character Xena is not in this wave. She is a Target exclusive, but there's the Build-A-Figure right there. And then the Hasbro logo and the Marvel logo is down below, as well as some other information. And there is the barcode if you need it. But these figures should be at your Target right now if you're looking for them, because they are definitely peg warmers. Like I said, I just wanted to get her out of the way. She was one of the only characters I wanted, and so yeah, so got my trusty scissors here, and we're just gonna go ahead and open her. I don't cut or anything, I just do this on camera. I want to save the box, so okay. I'm weird like that. I like to save the box. Okay, so this figure doesn't come with much accessories. She comes with the Build-A-Figure leg, as you can see, and 2 hands. And we'll go ahead and get the figure out. And we'll get the hands out, so I can show you. I don't know if I'm going to switch the hands out, but we will see. But here are the hands. This one is like a using her powers hands kind of pose. And this one is a closed fist kind of hand. And she comes with 2 open hands, as you can see. And we'll just go ahead and get her articulation out of the way. She has a ball-jointed head, ball-hinged shoulders, hinged elbows, hinged wrists, hinged torso, hinged hips, swivel at the thigh, double hinged knees, and hinged ankles, along with ankle pivot. Very little ankle pivot. So, yeah, the details on her are good, I think. My camera's not the best at picking up the details, so I'm just going to say now, if you want to see the details, I would just buy the figure yourself, and get the better look at the details for yourself. But I think it does look a lot like the actress who plays her. I know there is an SH Figuarts version, which I don't think I'm going to be getting that one because those figures are expensive. And I'm not as big a fan as the movie as some people are, that I know. And, but, I'm glad to have this figure of her. So, to change out the hands is very simple. You just have to pull that out and plug that in. And there's the fisted hand, like so. And then I'll just pull out the other one just to show you. I don't know if I'm going to display her with these hands, but there is the one of her kind of using her powers, or her ability. My legs are a little loose, but they're not too bad. But the details on her outfit are very nicely done. The sculpting, the texturing, and I really like this green color. Green is my favorite color, so that's probably another reason it attracted me to this character. And she was the female lead, so I usually really like the female leads, or one of them. There was a couple females in the movie, but she was definitely the main one, or one of the main ones. And then her hair is flooshing in the wind, which I would have preferred if it was down straight, but it's okay that it's doing that too. I know the SH Figuarts one is down straight, but again, I like the movie, but not that much to pay that much for SH Figuarts. So, yeah, so there is more detail on her legs and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's a good figure, I think. I'm just gonna go ahead and see if she fits on all of my bases. And I hope she does, because, yep, she does, because not all my Marvel figures fit on these bases, because some have really bad peg holes that don't go deep enough. But she does, thankfully, and there she is standing. And we'll just take that off really quick. So yeah, I'm glad to have gotten her. I liked her character in the movie. Like I said, the only other character I'm probably gonna get is Thena, Angelina Jolie's character. Sorry if you heard the neighbor's door closed. The dog. My dog is on the bed that I'm filming on, so he's moving around a lot. But anyways, that's probably gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you think of Cersei. I know she has the same name as Queen Cersei from Game of Thrones, but spelled differently. Did you like her character? Were you a fan? Or did you like the movie Eternals? Like I said, it was a decent movie. Not my favorite MCU movie, but it was a decent movie. I thought, you know. But, yeah, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you're looking for these figures, they should be at your Target right now. You should be able to go get them, maybe even at Walmart as well. And yeah, so let me know what you think, and let me know if you do collect these figures. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Instagram page down below. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.